Hello everyone, today I am talking about the weather of Dhaka city. Today it is very cold to Dhaka city. We cannot see a sunshine, a glimpse of sunshine at the whole day. It is quite harder for the people who answer hands to mouth and live. We are now shivering here. It is quite cold weather. It is going on, and wind is making the weather more cold. We cannot we are little bit shivering. Everyone is wearing winter clothes very much, so keep them warm. We can see it is looking like a little bit darker, and all those people, I think in this winter that all those people who pulls a rickshaw or like sometimes this type of works, it is very harder for them. Those people who are also in the field, it seems very harder for them to move on and to work for their money and many other things. But it is also very crazy and also very enjoyable for us. So we can stay in the whole day in our room and into his home and watch movies and take vegetables and eat some other dry foods like shingara, muri and like other things. For us it is very enjoyable, but it is also very harder for some people who are livelihood by working hard in outside. Some people cannot go outside for winter, and some people cannot get jobs properly, and it is that's the thing. The winter season is very harder for them. But in winter season it is also we can enjoy lots of vegetables and sweets. In winter season we can date juice in this winter and many other things. That's why we love winter, but we have to take care of those people who are incapable to survive in this winter. Those who lives outside on footpaths and like this, we should come toward them and make them raise our hand, helping hand to serve them, so that it becomes a little bit easier for them to survive. Thank you everyone.
Okay.